In this video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw Solana from Binance. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have Solana on Binance, I'm going to be teaching you how to properly send it to any other external wallet. So to initiate this transfer, you will need to have the receiving address good to go. I'm going to teach you how to get that at the end of this starting process. So first, I recommend going over to Binance and going to your wallets. Find your Solana wallet and select it. Once you choose to manage your Solana, you will find the withdraw option. So choose withdraw and you will be able to choose withdraw crypto or withdraw fiat. So select this option and then choose via crypto network. This is how you will be able to input the wallet address. So now you will find the first option here to input the wallet address where you will be receiving your Solana. So this is the receiving address. The network should be automatically selected as Solana and you just have to input the amount. Now, if you still need to acquire this address, open your preferred wallet where you will be receiving the Solana. So in this example here, I have the Phantom wallet, but any other wallet that can hold Solana will work. And then find Solana from your list of assets and choose it here. You can also choose the receive option. When you select receive or when you tap on Solana, you will see the option to copy your wallet address. You can also use a QR code. However, I believe that most people will want to copy it manually. So just tap this button and after it has been copied, you will be able to paste the wallet address that you copied from your preferred wallet. So in this case, Phantom wallet as an example. Immediately upon pasting the address here, you are good to go. Double check the network, it should say Solana, input the amount, and make sure that you meet the minimum amount. If there is a minimum amount established, you will see the available Solana on your account listed here, and there might be a network fee included, so be aware of all of that. After you include the address, the minimum amount, and you are aware of the fee, you can send any amount of Solana from Binance to an external wallet. I hope I was able to help you on how to withdraw Solana from Binance. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.